Welcome to exam day video of NILIT. Exam process is totally redefined to ensure exams can take place with proper safety during globally spread COVID-19 pandemic. This is to assure the safety of both the candidates and examination staff. Candidates are required to follow the rules, regulations and guidelines of NILIT, local authorities, state government and Government of India specially related to COVID-19. The objective of the new exam process is to provide safe and secure environment for examination staff and examinees using minimal touch process and maintaining social distancing. Safety measures are consolidated with existing examination process. Hi, my name is Disha and I will tell you about the guidelines you need to follow from the time you reach the exam center until you leave the center. Let's begin. Due to global COVID-19 pandemic, various preventive measures are taken on exam day at each exam center. Candidates have to follow these measures before, during and after the exam. These are categorized into 3 stages of the exam day activity, namely pre-examination preventive measures, during examination preventive measures and post-examination preventive measures. Have a look at the guidelines for the exam day starting from pre-examination preventive measures. Pre-examination preventive measures. Candidates are required to report the exam center strictly as per the reporting time allotted to the candidate to maintain staggered entry. Avoid gathering outside exam center and follow social distancing. Maintain physical distance of at least 6 feet from each other. Follow the queue to enter the exam center. Candidates will be thermally scanned before entering the exam center. In case of high temperature, candidates shall not be permitted to enter the examination center and take examination. Installation and use of Arogya Setu app shall be advised to all candidates. Arogya Setu status should be either low risk or safe. Candidate must carry all the required items and documents as mentioned in the admit card, which include admit card issued by NILIT, original photo identity card, ballpoint pen, hand sanitizer of up to 50 ml in transparent bottle, face cover or mask and gloves, transparent water bottle. Self-declaration related to COVID-19 will be provided in the entry list. Candidates shall have to mandatorily sign the entry list before entry. If any candidate fails to meet the self-declaration criteria, they shall not be allowed entry. During examination preventive measures. After you enter the exam center, you are checked with valid admit card and original photo identity proof, failing which the candidate will not be allowed to appear in the examination. As you reach the allotted exam hall, your admit card and ID proof is verified by the examination staff from safe distance. Examination staff guides you to the allotted seat following social distance. Candidates have to sign attendance sheet before the commencement of the examination, failing which their candidature will not be considered for exam. Candidates will be disqualified if found using any unfair means, including giving or taking help from anyone. No written or printed material, CDs or electronic devices such as mobile, Bluetooth, calculator, etc. are allowed in the examination hall. Post-examination preventive measures. Candidates can leave exam hall only after examination staff permits to leave. Kindly ensure not to leave behind any of your assets, for example, hand sanitizer bottle, face mask, etc. On completion of the exam, candidates are permitted to move out in an orderly manner. Examination staff members are present along the exit path to ensure orderly movement of the candidates. Candidates shall have to mandatorily sign the exit list before exiting the examination center. Good luck.